Where is the buttons for the remote? My garage door's not opening. I gotta walk into the front door to open up the garage door. I just bought this Canyon, and it never occurred to me that I would be frustrated. Brand new vehicle, and now I'm frustrated. Are you frustrated? There's no garage door opener option inside your vehicle. You mean to tell me I paid for the Denali trim and I still don't have garage door opener options? Well, I'm here to tell you that I did some research, figured out that there are options if that's you. So give this video a thumbs up on your way in, and let's go over this. And at the end of the video, I'm going to let you know the easiest and simplest way to correct this problem. I am sure you're frustrated as much as I was when I came home with this new ride. So what are the options? Have you explored? I'm here to tell you that it's not easy. I searched all high and low, all across the internet, seen all kinds of posts on forums where people are frustrated. So there's several options that you could do. Well, one of them may be make your current garage door openers Wi-Fi. Turn them into smart openers. You could do that. I considered that the first time whenever I was doing research. That was kind of the avenue I was going. Another option would be putting in brand new garage door openers. Well, you know how expensive that would be. It's okay if you were going to need new garage door openers anyway, or new garage doors. Another option could be buying that remote. Pretend that your vehicle's a 1979. Back when garage door openers were a thing. Well, I didn't want to do that. There could be many reasons why you don't want to do that. Someone can get a hold of your opener and access your house. What if you park your truck in the driveway like most people do? Somebody could break the window out in your car or your truck, in my case, and open the garage door, and in they go. There's one last resort, and Amazon is where it's at. No, everyone goes to Amazon. I'm here to tell you the right place to go is Bob's Automotive. They have all kinds of choices for your Canyon, such as mine or Colorado. They make a replacement rear view mirror that has the Homelink option right in it. But you might be asking, how do I know if my current mirror has it? Because there is a few vehicles out there that has the Homelink built right in. Well, let's take a look. There's no buttons here, no buttons here. Up here, got your voice activated, SOS over here, and then OnStar in the middle. That's not it. So we're in a pickle. I'm here to tell you that the best option is putting in a brand new rear view mirror. May not be the cheapest option, but that's the option I'm going to do. And at the end of this screen, I'm going to show you how to install that if that's something you're interested in. But the purpose of this video is there are options. And some of these options may be the route you're wanting to go. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out if you saw it helpful. Until the next time, you have yourself a wonderful day.